morning to children. In previous class we completed any given three sides. Okay, is it possible or not form a triangle? Okay, understood? Now we are going to the median and altitude. Altitude and median. See ma, what is called altitude? What is called altitude? A line segment drawn. A line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle. Vertex of a triangle which is perpendicular to the side opposite to the vertex is called a altitude. Okay, see, this is a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC ma. A line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle which is perpendicular to the side of a opposite to the vertex. This is a perpendicular side ma. Okay, opposite vertex means A. Okay, see this one perpendicular. Okay, D is called a altitude. A line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle which is perpendicular to the side opposite to the vertex is called an altitude. Okay, in this triangle ABC, here AD is the altitude. Therefore AD is a altitude of triangle ABC. Okay, AD is a altitude of triangle ABC. Once again, see ma, altitude means a line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle which is perpendicular to the side opposite to the vertex is called a altitude. Okay, understood? This is triangle ABC. This is opposite vertex. Okay, perpendicular to opposite vertex. Here AD is the altitude. Okay, understood ma? Next, median. Okay, median, see ma, the line segment that joins a vertex, and the midpoint of its opposite side, is called a median of the triangle. Altitude perpendicular. Okay, altitude means perpendicular. Here median means midpoint of its opposite side. See ma, here this is triangle ABC. Okay, a line segment that joins a vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side, it is called a median of the triangle. For example, total 4 centimeters. BC side 4 centimeters means midpoint means exact 2 centimeters. Okay, exact 2 centimeters. Okay, see here. This one E. Okay, AE is the median. AE is the median. Okay, here therefore AE is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, see ma, the line segment that joins a vertex of a and the midpoint of its opposite side. Midpoint is opposite side. A vertex ma, opposite side means BC. Okay, midpoint is called a median of a triangle. Altitude means exact 90 degrees. Here median means midpoint. Okay, here 5 centimeters given means exact 2.5 centimeters. Okay, 4 centimeters given means exact 2 centimeters. Understood ma? This is median. Now we are going to the exercise 2. See my exercise 2, first problem. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. Already given midpoint of BC, D. Okay, AD is the, see my here, midpoint D. Okay, here E perpendicular. Now, before only we discussed median and altitude. Altitude means perpendicular, opposite vertex to side perpendicular, and median means midpoint. Already given here D is the midpoint. Okay, that's why see here AD is the median. Here AD is the median. Okay, D is the midpoint, but that's why this one AD is the median. Next, AE is the E here perpendicular ma. AE is a perpendicular line. That's why this is altitude. Okay, AD is the median and AE is the altitude. This is first one. Next, second one say name the triangle in which the two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Okay, name the triangle in which the two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Okay, Sima, this is only one altitude. Okay, this is acute angle triangle. Okay, next obtuse angle triangle. One step here, obtuse angle triangle. Here also only one. Okay, next another one, third one, right angle triangle. One check mark, right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Okay, here vertex opposite side here. Okay, this is one. Next, this one, two altitudes. Okay, two altitudes is there. So just here asking name the triangle in which the two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Right angle triangle. Solution is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, name the triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides means right angle triangle. This is the second problem. Next, third one. Third problem, Seema. Does a median always lie in the interior of the triangle? Does a median always lie in the interior of the triangle? Okay, median means midpoint ma. Midpoint interior. Always lie in the interior of the triangle? Yes. Okay, once remember ma. Median and altitude. Okay, third one solution. Yes. A median always lie in the interior of the triangle. Okay, does a median always lie in the interior of the triangle? Yes, a median always lie in the interior of the triangle. Next, does an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? Does an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? No. An altitude may lie on the exterior of a triangle. Interior and exterior also. That's why no. Solution. No. An altitude may lie on the exterior of a triangle. Exterior of a triangle. Okay. No, an altitude may lie on the exterior of a triangle. Interior, only interior, median ma. Okay, only interior, median. May or exterior or interior altitude. Okay, understood? This is fourth one. Next fifth one, Seema. Write the here fifth one. Three problems given ma. In fifth one, three problems given. First one, see. Write the side opposite to vertex y. Write the side opposite to vertex y in triangle XYZ. Okay, see here solution. Triangle XYZ. This is XYZ triangle ma. Opposite to vertex y. Write the side opposite to vertex y. See here y opposite side what ma? XZ. Okay, XZ is the opposite side of vertex y. Okay. See here XZ is the opposite side to vertex y. Okay, xz is the opposite side. Xz is the opposite side to vertex y. Okay, next second one, see, write the angle. Here side asking ma, here angle asking. Write the angle opposite to side PQ. Write the angle opposite to side PQ in triangle PQR. Here are given triangle PQR. Here PQR. Okay, PQR triangle and opposite to side PQ. PQ opposite angle what my here? R. Angle R. Angle R is the opposite to side PQ. Okay, angle R is the angle R is the angle opposite to side PQ. Okay, PQ side opposite angle R ma. PQ side opposite angle R. Next last one, third one, see ma, this exercise. Write the vertex. Write the vertex opposite to side AC in triangle ABC. Here asking vertex. Okay, first one is side, second one is angle, third one is vertex. Triangle ABC. ABC. Okay, opposite to side AC. AC opposite vertex what ma? AC opposite vertex B. Okay, B is the opposite. B is the vertex. B is the vertex opposite to side AC. Okay, this is triangle ABC ma. AC opposite vertex B. Okay, this is exercise 2. Next see ma, angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all three angles. The sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of all three angles, okay, of a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of all the three angles. Okay, the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. See my here example. This is triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. Okay, three angles sum of 180 degrees. This is a property of triangle. Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle sum property means the sum of all the three angles. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Okay, here two angles given means find the third angle means we find the third angle using angle sum property. Using angle sum property. Okay, for example problem see ma, angle A equal to 50 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees. Find angle C. Find angle C value. Angle A 50 degrees, angle B 60 degrees. Find angle C value. Okay. First solution C. First given angles right ma. Angle A equal to 50 degrees and angle B equal to 60 degrees. Okay. We know that the angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Substitute angle A value and angle B value. Angle A value 50 degrees plus angle B value 60 degrees plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 60, 110 degrees. 110 plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle C equal to 180 minus here plus 110 ma. Plus 110. Transposing LHS to RHS minus 110. Okay. Minus 110. Angle C equal to 180 minus 110. 70 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle C equal to 70 degrees. Understood ma? Angle A equal to 50 degrees, angle B equal to 60 degrees and angle C equal to find angle C value. Solution angle A, angle B. First given angles right. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A value 50. 50 plus 60 plus angle C equal to 180. 110 plus angle C equal to 180. Angle C equal 180 minus 110, 70 degrees. Okay. This is example for angle sum property of triangle. Okay, ma. Today's enough. Thank you.